how to make money on Freelancer as a social media advertiser. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money using this platform. So let's get started first by explaining the platform for you. So guys, freelancer.com is a platform where you can create your own profile in order to showcase your skills to the business owners or the visitors of the platform. So for example, if I was a business owner coming to this platform to search or to hire a social media advertiser, I will just go to hire freelancers in here and go to buy skill. Then I'm going to search for a social media advertiser, and here we have the internet marketing specialists. So I would go with internet marketing specialists in here, or social media specialists. Then I'm going to see all of the freelancers that are offering that skill. Here, hire expert social media marketers for any job. So let's scroll down and here click on see more media, social media marketers in order to see their profiles. So here let's check their profiles. So guys, I'm showing you these profiles in order to let you know what you're going to learn in today's video. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own profile like those people in order to showcase your skills as well. And if a visitor comes to the platform and sees your profile, he will check the profile. If he finds it amazing and he finds it decent, he will just hire you easily. So here let's check someone's profile. For example, this one, who is a #1 ranking on Google and organic traffic. So let's check his profile. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a profile like this one, how you can upload a profile picture, a profile cover, and a profile picture as well. How you can have all of these verifications in check, because clients lean to work more with the freelancers who have all of these verifications in check. And also I'm going to show you how you can enter a good description for your profile, how you can enter your hourly rate, and how to enter your portfolio as well. And when it comes to the reviews, you cannot control them, but you can control the work that you offer. So if you deliver a decent job and a decent work, you will get decent reviews from your clients. So just make sure to deliver a great work for your clients. So let's go back to the main page to show you how you can start creating your profile. So here let's click on the logo and let's give it a few seconds to load. And here click on earn money freelancing to start creating your profile. And as you can see in here, fill the usual information, your first name, last name, email, and password. Then click on join freelancer. For me, I'm going to log in. I've already created my account. So here I'm going to proceed with my username and my password. Then click on login. Then give it a few seconds and you will be redirected to your dashboard. It's where you're going to control everything about your profile. So here, this is your dashboard. It's where we can control everything about our profile. So go up to your top right, and here you can manage everything about your account and your finances as well. So here you can view your profile, your membership, your account analytics, your bid insights, and your settings. And when it comes to finances, you can check your balance, you can add funds, withdraw funds, transaction history. You can check your financial dashboard and your payment sharing. Then you have those three, the support, invite friends, and logout buttons if you want to use any of them. So here let's go up to view profile, because we have a lot of work to do in our profile in here. As you can see, it looks very empty. We have zero in everything, zero reviews, zero amount earned, 0% likeliness to accept a project, so we have 0 in everything. So let's start by editing our profile in here, and the first thing you will need to do is to verify your email address. So make sure to verify it. As you can see, email verification required. After you verify your email, then you proceed to drop in your profile picture, and the profile picture is very important, guys. You cannot work in the platform without it, because no client and no person would like to hire a freelancer who doesn't even have a profile picture. And after you're done with the profile picture, then upload a cover photo as well. It's very important too. It adds a sense of professionalism to your profile. Then after you're done with the pictures, you proceed to the verifications, and as I mentioned in the beginning, make sure to have all of them in check to add more trust and to be more hireable in your profile. So here, make sure to join the elite group of the best freelancers and verify your identity via a government issued ID check and a proof of address. Verify your payment method as well, your phone number, and if you have a Facebook account, make sure to connect that to the platform. And after you're done with the verifications, then you proceed to choosing your hourly rate. Then you enter your professional headline, and then you proceed to enter in your summary, and after that you enter your skills. So here, let's enter your skills. You can add up to 20 skills, so make sure to choose all of the skills that you can do. So here, let's search for social media advertiser. So here we have social media marketing, social media management, and let's give it like this. So that's all what we have. So scroll down and click on save to save these adjustments, and after that scroll down to add your portfolio as well, because clients like to check the work of the freelancer before even hiring him. And after you're done with making all of these adjustments, then it's time to make some money. So let's go up, go to browse in here, click on projects, and here in projects you will be able to see all of the available jobs or projects from clients or people who are looking for freelancers with certain skills to work with them. So if you find something you like, apply for it. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.